What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful C350e AMG line. Now guys, this is my favorite color. It's called the Mojave silver, because it's a bit goldish finish. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, if you guys know how to say it, if the J is silent or not. Yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments. But yeah, take a look at the color, man, dude. I love this goldish kind of a finish for an AMG line. And this has the night package, I believe, is that what they call it till now still, because your black side mirrors are there even though the color is a different color, so it's not following the side mirrors, you see. Now let's start off with the front. We have the lights located right here. They call it the digital lights. It's labeled right there. I'll turn them on shortly to show you guys how the DRL looks like, because your main high beam should be there, and this light normally lights up as well. So gorgeous finish for the lighting. Now let's move on to the front bumper right here. I love how they have the Mercedes-Benz started grille all over the place, man, dude. Look at that, man, dude. Amazing. I love the chrome lining finish, Mercedes-Benz logo, as well as the chrome lining on the left and right. You got your 360 camera located right on top, and the beautiful part about this is that you cannot feel the design of the badge because it's a glass, because the sensor is located right on the inside right there. So beautiful finish. I love how they integrated this at the back of the glass, so that's really cool. So we have your number plate right here, C350e. That's where your number plate goes. You have your AMG line front bumper. As you can see, there's some opening here for air to flow through on that side. So if you're driving fast, air can flow through left and right. So looks very, very aggressive indeed. Check it out, guys. Can you see these black finishes right here? Even though Mojave silver right there, silver, black, and then you got this black finish at the bottom right here. So beautiful touch that goes all the way from left to right. So the night package on this car is very, very sporty and nice. Now let's talk about the badging. I love the black linings. At the same time, you got some black badging happening right here as well. Mercedes-Benz wording, badging. And also you get your hood with those lines bulging out right there. So very cool. As you can see, the lighting, you got one line coming up from here, you got one right there, and you got another one right here that goes to the end. Can you see what I mean? Love how they designed this car, man, dude. Gorgeous, gorgeous finish. Now that's the front hood. Beautiful. Now let's talk about the wheels. The wheels on this car are having this two-tone finish. There's some silver here, there's some black on the inside. You got your Mercedes-Benz wording on the brake calipers. You're using a drill disc brakes, so the braking on this car is going to be very, very fun indeed. Grips really, really well. Tire size is 225 45 R18, so 18-inch wheels. And this is the finishing that you get. You get your Michelin tires for this particular car, and it looks gorgeous indeed. Let's take a look one more time again. Gorgeous. Nice. Now, AMG line, of course, you have this bulging-like design that goes from left to right, or shall I say from front to back. So I love that for this car. The side mirrors, of course, the color of the exterior, right, is in this silver color finish, this goldish finish. But you get your side mirrors also in black, because this is the night package. So night package, you get your black lining on the top right here that goes all across to the side and continues back to the front. Chrome will still maintain for the door handles, but everything that used to be chrome at the door side has automatically gone to black. Black wheels, you got your front black lining, black side mirror, gorgeous. Turn indicators located right there. You got your blind spot also as well over there. Now let's open up the doors. Keyless also is given. Now let's take a look at the inside right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous finish, man, dude. Now this is your door handles to open up, seat adjustments, memory seats. You got 3 together with your heated seats. Now your speakers are located right there. Your hand goes in right here to pull and close the door. Love the ambient lighting that goes across right here. You got your window adjustments to go up and down right here. Compartment storage down here. Love the stitching that they have right here. So very nice finish for the door as well. Now you do get your lighting on the inner part of the door handles right here, right? So cool. Mercedes-Benz wording at the side plate, very nice. I like how they are lighted up. Once again, I love this Mojave silver kind of a finish. Very nice indeed. Love the seats design, like finish. It's going to be holding you really, really well because it's sort of like this sports seats. Gorgeous indeed. Now let's have a seat on the inside. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger. Ambient lighting located right in the air vents. You get this sort of metal weave finish that goes across the whole dashboard. If you're here, you're able to admire how beautiful this looks. Very nice indeed. Let me close that, show you guys. Can you see that? Are you able to see the texture-like design? So very, very nice indeed. I love how it looks. Ambient lighting located right, goes all the way to the center. Beautiful. Center screen angles up towards the driver. Very nice indeed. You got your leather dashboard on top. You got some stitchings right here from left to right. Airbag located right there. You got your air vents again. So very nicely done. Lights are in the air vents. So gorgeous indeed. Fabric-like lining for the top. And also, yes, you do get your mirror right there. Frameless mirrors as well for your C350e. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger. Black seat belts are also very nice touches as well. Comfortable sitting. The seat holds you very well. And yeah, the amount of space is still there. I can move my leg comfortably up and down, so very nice. Now let's get right down. Let's move to the back seat. Take a look at the rear. You get your shade, which you can pull up and pull down. If you don't wish to use it, just pull it back down and you're back to the same door-like design. But of course, there's no seat adjustments because it's a rear seat. And door handles to open up. Hand goes in to pull to close the door. Window up and down. You got your compartment storage down here. You also get your ambient lighting located at the side doors. Speaker goes right there. So very nice touch indeed. Love the finishing. Same. And you get your leather finish right here so as well. Very nice over here also, as well as some stitching that you get. So love the touch. Love how it lights up. Very nice, the lighting. So cool. Black seat belts also given. This is the rear seats. Now I'm going to jump right in to show you guys how comfortable it actually feels to be sitting in. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat of the C350e AMG line. So amazing legroom space. Seat belts are also in black, as I mentioned earlier. Down right here. Let's pull this down. Let's open that up. Cup holder too. Let's close that back. Yep. Nice. You get your air vents right here, located here. Storage right there. Minor, small storage down there. And very nice indeed. You do get your panoramic glass roof. This glass roof can actually open up, but we gotta start the car to do it. So in the meantime, there is a shade. As you can see, there's light coming up from the top, right? Because the showroom is lighted up. But you get what I mean? This glass cannot be removed. I mean, you cannot really open it up, but this one you can. So very nice. Now let's jump right to the center. This is me sitting comfortably at the center seat. Now I do get black seat belts. Love that. Easier to maintain. Let's open that up and let's get down to this side. This is me sitting comfortably at the rear driver side as a passenger. So very nice indeed. You do get a lot of space in this car. So let's check out the doors. Once again, you got your shade lighted up right there. Lighting goes around the door side. Handle to open up the door. You got your window up and down. Hand goes in to pull the door to close. Some compartment storage right here. So gorgeous indeed. Now let's take a look from the outside with the shade up. You are able to see something on the inside, right? But if I close the door, very unlikely for you to see because the background itself is already dark. So very nice indeed. Now this should be where the petrol tank is located because this is a plug-in hybrid. So on the other side is where you charge your car. So let's close that back. Take a look at the rear wheels. Michelin tires is what they're using, and I love how they have these AMG wordings on the wheels, guys. Damn, it's designed in such a way that allows air to flow through and also disperse away to cool down the brakes. So the behind brakes are solid disc, very nice indeed. I love how there's a two-tone finish, so there's black and there's silver on the outside. Mercedes-Benz wording right there. Tire size for this car right here should be, there we go, 225/40 R18. So amazing design for the rear wheel. Very sporty indeed. Love it. Now, let's check out the rear design of this car. This is the AMG line, so you do get very aggressive looking rear diffuser, but we will talk about that shortly later. C350e badging on the left. You got your Mercedes-Benz logo right in the center. Let's open that up. Take a look right in. We have tire repair kit. This should be a tire repair kit. We're not going to play around with that, but yes, we got your first aid kit. You got your owner's manual located right here. Very nice indeed. First aid kit is over there, so keep that there. Let's fold down the seats. Check that out, man. What's going on? So much of space right there. You got your hook right here to hook a net in case you want to hook from there to there. It's up to you. And yeah, amazing storage indeed. Now, underneath here, I believe it should be the battery. But yeah, warning triangle located right here. You got your button to close the rear boot located right there. Now, before we show you the boot space, take a look at the rear diffuser. Now, you do get this exhaust tips in this chrome lining right there. You got this sort of like almost aggressive looking rear diffuser. Does look very nice indeed. Now, check out underneath. You get two exhaust pipes right there. You got one, another one is right there. So you do get actually two. Love the black finish that surrounds the whole car actually. So tons of black finishes here and there because it's a night package, so there's no need for any chrome, right? So love how it goes from left to right. So gorgeous indeed. The rear bumper has this sort of like aggressive looking finish that gives you the impression that air is coming out through here, but very nice touch indeed. So it does look very, very aggressive, guys. Now, as I mentioned, okay, we got to open up when the car is on, then we can actually pull this open to open up. Oh, okay, cool. Let's open up. Nice. There we go. This is your AC charging, not really DC because it's a plug-in hybrid, so it doesn't require that much of power. But yeah, I believe this is the indicator to show you if it's charging and if it's already done. Very nice. Beautiful. So let's close this. Check that out, man, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's take a look at the boot space. Oh, yes, I wanted to show you the boot space. Let's open that up again. Admire the compartment storage. Amazing space that they have, guys. With the seats folded down, you can store much more stuff happening all over the place. Let's move that to the side. Amazing, right? Amazing. Take a look one more time again. So nice. So let's move to the driver's side right here. Now, seat adjustments are located right here, memory seats right here, handle to open up and close, lock, unlock, and also your window adjustments up and down, child lock for the window, and also you get your shade to wind up and wind down. Side mirror adjustments right here, and also to fold your side mirrors for that. You got your boot opening and closing right here, compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Very nice indeed. Now let's hop right into the driver's side of things. I love how they have the AMG wordings at the carpet, Mercedes-Benz plate right there for the sides. Gorgeous. Now let's jump right in to show you guys how comfortable this car actually sits and feels. Let's wind that back. Wow. Okay, now I have to say I love the flat bottom steering wheel for the AMG line. I like how they have this split that they have right here, right? So, you know, you can actually see through with your hand right there, right? So these kind of touches are very nice. Negative shift, positive shift, drive, reverse, and also your P for parking, and also your wiper adjustments are here, the speed together with your turn indicators for your signal and whatnot, high beam as well. Steering adjustments located right there. You got these volume up, volume down, answering the call, rejecting the call, voice over. You got your favorite button together with your home and back and whatnot, all of these to control the screen, and also these ones right here to control that screen. Same thing. And you got your distance between you and the front car, you got your speed limit, you got your speed to go up and down for the cruise control, you got your resume button and your cancel button. Horn, of course, is located right there, Mercedes-Benz wording right, badging right there. And yeah, I love, again, see that spacing right there, you can see my hand through. So very nice indeed. The finishing is superb. Love how the glass angles towards you. Let's turn it on, let's keep that. Yeah, I like how it's angled towards the driver, and yeah, it's very nice indeed. You got your driving mode selector right here. This is for your parking, camera as well, auto parking. This is for you to use your charge and EV kind of like battery details to show you what's actually happening. And Also your vehicle settings, there's a shortcut button I believe to access your vehicles if you need to. Hazard light, and of course this is for you to touch, for you to access, you know, how to say, your own profile that you have actually set. To on and off the screen, your mute button together with your volume up and volume down, so very nice indeed. Let's close that back. You got your cup holders right here, right? So it does hug your cups really well. Type-C charging right there. You got your wireless charging located right down there. You also get your other compartment storage right here. Open that up. You got your two Type-C charging right here, and also compartment storage down here. Very nice indeed. Let's close that back. This is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's side. And how about from this side? It does look really good to be sitting in a car like this because, as I mentioned, the steering wheel is superb. Okay, now this right here is to control the lightings. You got your SOS call button for your Mercedes Me. You got these ones to control the shade that is located right up there. So this fabric can go off and the glass can actually open up as well. So frameless mirrors for the rear view mirror to open up the shade as well. So very nice indeed. I like how they have the chrome looking brake pedal and the sport pedals for the C350e, and I also love how they have this black glass top finish that we have for the C350e. So even though the color is Mojave silver on the outside, the top right here is also in this black finish. So it has a lot of this design-like finish that I really love, man, dude. So now let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how the lights actually look like. So turn that on, and right here you notice, check that out. I love how it's lighted up on this side, right? So there's a cut right there. Gorgeous indeed. You get what I mean, guys? Can you see how beautiful this car looks if you're standing right here in front of it? So gorgeous touch indeed. Love how it's designed this way. The color of the car is gorgeous to me. Now let's open up, let's close the rear right now. Check that out. So the Mojave silver for me is my favorite because, I don't know, man, dude, brake lights right there, signal light goes here, brake lights on top there, you got your reverse light located right there. So very nice indeed. Can you see the blend of how it actually looks? Goldish finish, very sporty, very luxurious looking car. Now let's turn on the hazard lights. Check that out right here. Turn indicators located right at the mirror. Love how the black and gold once again. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the white light still remains. Automatically this part right here still replaces to become the turn indicators. The DRL goes away, but the one white light remains. I like how they have the Mercedes-Benz wording at the light there. Beautiful thought. And check out the rear. So you do get your brake lights, the DRL still remaining there, but your rear tail lights are still on. Your signal light goes right here, brake light goes up there, reverse light is also over there. So gorgeous looking car, guys. Very nice indeed. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Hap Sing, where you can find this beautiful car, another one right there, and also you got plenty more located all the way on the inside right there. So that is it, guys, for today. See you in the next video.